I made over $200,000 just selling t-shirts online.
Ended up selling over $7,000 in a single day.
I did $242,000 in t-shirt sales within 30 days.
Yeah, so for this item, we did high 5 figures and then we scaled it to 6 figures.
When we hear claims like this that entice and lure us, it's only natural to wonder if an opportunity like this could actually have merit. All the while reasoning that there must be a catch of some kind, but still, is it really possible to make that kind of money online? It all sounds too good to be true. Usually, when claims like this are presented, there's an ulterior motive. When you hear fast-talking YouTube hustlers pitching a way for you to make easy money that requires no time, no work, no money, but makes you $100, $500, or even $1,000 a day from the comfort of your own home, what do you automatically think? Scam. We hear so many of these so-called gurus, it's just laughable, and so we usually just shake our heads and move on. Nevertheless, I'm sure you're asking yourself, why can't there be a real, honest, profitable opportunity that we can believe in without being disappointed, or worse yet, ripped off? There has to be a legitimate way to make money online that's not a scam, right? I believe that there is. There's an exciting window of opportunity approaching right now that will be very profitable for the right person, but this window is closing fast. Unique opportunities like this rarely occur, and those who act quickly will be greatly rewarded. What is this coming big opportunity? During the next 4 short years, it is projected that 95% of all retail sales will occur online. Those who are positioned correctly ahead of this transformation will reap massive benefits. This massive shift in the marketplace will prove to be one of the best times to build your American dream. But to do that, you must act now. You may be asking yourself, how is someone like me going to afford the cost of developing and marketing products to all these new online customers if I don't have any money? That's a great question, and it's the focus of this video. We wanted to find a business you can start, even if you're broke, a business that requires no startup cash, no inventory, no monetary risk, and the opportunity to grow that business to a few $100s a day or build for yourself a 6 or even 7-figure income, a business that even beginners who have never started a business before could do. What we found was print on demand. If you're not familiar with the print-on-demand business model, here's how it works. You simply create a design and upload it to a print-on-demand company. Then, select one of their POD products and using their online software, position your design onto the product you've chosen. Next, make your newly designed t-shirt, mug, or other POD product available in your e-commerce store or an online marketplace. When a sale is made, the money is collected and electronically transmitted to the print-on-demand company, along with your customer's shipping information. They ship the product to your customer, and you keep the difference between what your customer paid and the wholesale price charged by the print-on-demand company. It's that simple. Oh, and print-on-demand companies like Printful will ship your products in packaging that carries your logo and looks like it came directly from you. Basically, you become a marketer and not a manufacturer. It's one of the best business models we've found to make money online, even if you have no experience as a business owner. It's profitable, simple to understand, and easy to set up, and you can work from home. And most of all, you can start it with no money, even if you're flat broke. All you need is a computer with internet access and the drive to succeed. Because this business has low risk and a good chance of high rewards, selling print-on-demand products online has become an extremely popular option for those looking to earn money online. It can be operated part-time as a side hustle or as an alternative to your regular full-time job. But how do you get products in front of the customers without spending money on advertising? That's the cool thing about print-on-demand. It's a business model that helps the little guy sell to the masses. Many print-on-demand companies have their own huge marketplaces that have millions of shoppers on their websites every month. Redbubble, for example, sold over $400 million in print-on-demand merchandise in 2020, all designed by POD creators and displayed in Redbubble's marketplace. Spreadshirt allows its POD creators to add custom designs to 200 unique products, which they can sell in Spreadshirt's marketplace of 100,000 daily visitors. That's 3 million visitors a month. Amazon Merch, with 213 million monthly users, it's a healthy marketplace for POD products. Etsy is not just for the artsy. It's a global online marketplace that connects their community of sellers with millions of buyers looking for unique and creative goods, many of which are handcrafted or produced on demand. It may be hard to believe, but Etsy boasts over twice the monthly visitors of Amazon Merch, with up to 500 million visitors each month. And it's a growing marketplace. Etsy gained 8 million new shoppers in the second quarter of this year, and their returning customers purchased products at the rate of 115% over last year. However, with Etsy, there is a catch. It's not completely free. Etsy does have a small cost. When you open a store, Etsy assesses a 20-cent fee for each 4-month product listing. It sounds small, but it starts to add up as you add more products. We did find a method to list your first 40 products on Etsy for free with no listing fees by way of a coupon-style offer. After 40 products, you will have to pay the 20 cents. There's a link for that coupon in this video's description below. Even with the enormous popularity of print-on-demand as a business, there is still plenty of room for newcomers. DigitalCommerce360.com reported that in 2020, U.S. online sales increased $263 billion over 2019. This line graph shows how online sales are skyrocketing. These figures represent online sales in the United States only. Worldwide projections are even more staggering. Global online sales will grow from $4 trillion to over $6 trillion by 2024. Someone will have to step up and sell that $2 trillion in additional merchandise. If you were able to position yourself properly and tap into such promising growth, it would make all the financial difference in the world. Consider this. We Are Social reports that approximately 900,000 people go online for the first time every single day, and they've done so since 2018. That's almost 1 million new customers every day. A percentage of them could become your customers. Add to that, the market for print-on-demand products is growing briskly worldwide. The custom printed t-shirt market is predicted to reach more than $10 billion by 2025. And that's just t-shirts. There are plenty of other print-on-demand products to be marketed. Products like backpacks, hoodies, coffee mugs, yoga mats, pillows, wall art, blankets, shower curtains, neckties, socks, and so much more. Chris Conradi was just 17 years old, working 3 jobs and going to school full-time. Making only $800 a month, he was barely scraping by. Chris and his friend Julia decided to go into business together, and in 2017, they started a print-on-demand business. Total sales for their new store in 2017 was around $300,000. In 2018, they did almost $3 million. And in 2019, they were consistently grossing around $350,000 a month. And just prior to January 2020, they hit their $3 million annual sales target. That's all very impressive, but Chris will caution you that it takes a lot of hard work and determination, and you have to be flexible. If something's not working, change it up. Selling socks worked for them, but when selling t-shirts, they lost money. Compare that to Jaron and Kelsey, who reported 6 figures a month income selling, you guessed it, t-shirts as their bread and butter products. In fact, 83% of their sales come from t-shirts, which in January of 2020 came to more than $230,000. Sharpshooter sells POD shower curtains and have over $52,000 in sales to their credit. Jesse and Destiny sell personalized mugs and tumblers. They've had more than 55,000 sales since they started in 2019. If you think print on demand is the business opportunity you've been looking for, here are the basic steps to get started. Step number 1, choose a niche. The list of niches is almost endless. Cooking, baking, cat lovers, dog owners, space, fantasy, online gamers, firefighters, etc. Targeting horse lovers as your niche? Here's a simple design that we came up with in just a few minutes. Step number 2, choose or design your print-on-demand artwork. After choosing a niche, design the artwork to print on your chosen products. If you're an artist or good with graphics, you can use your own artwork, which of course is free. If not, you can hire graphic artists on Fiverr.com who will create artwork for you at relatively inexpensive costs depending on your requirements. You can also download ready-made art on websites like Bexels.com if you pay their subscription fee. Crafting your own designs will ensure that your products are fresh and unique. But if designing your own artwork seems intimidating, no problema. Many POD companies provide online design software that is simple, straightforward, and easy to use. We tested Zazzle's online design software and created this basic artwork in about 20 minutes. They show you how your design will look on your product and on a real person. We were impressed. Step 3. Choose a POD storefront and platform. There are numerous print-on-demand companies to choose from. Each has their own business model, pricing, and payment structure. Most are completely free to use and only collect money upon the sale of your POD products. Many designers will begin with one print-on-demand platform and then move their successful designs to multiple POD companies and platforms. Some companies like Printful, Custom Cat, and Printify will print and ship products to your customers for you, but they have no built-in marketplace. In this case, you'll have to set up your own e-commerce store using services like Shopify, BigCommerce, or Xero. This, of course, will cause you to incur a monthly fee. However, companies like Redbubble, Teespring, and Merch by Amazon have large marketplaces that you'll have access to at no charge. Teespring, for example, has a marketplace of 15 to 20 million visitors each month. Redbubble has 40 million monthly visitors, and Etsy has as many as 500 million visitors each month. You can see why we like Etsy. Uploading your winning designs to multiple marketplaces can be a very profitable strategy. I'll place links in the description below to some of the more recognized print-on-demand companies. This list is intended to be helpful, but it's not comprehensive by any means. Step 4, design a marketing strategy. In a competitive business like print-on-demand, you must take into account niche saturation, high competition, and design theft. The easiest way to obtain online exposure for your designs is to plug into established marketplaces like Amazon Merch, Redbubble, Teespring, Etsy, and others. As I said, they already have millions of monthly shoppers looking for well-designed products. Your marketing strategy is your guide to putting products in front of potential customers. It's a steep learning curve that includes decisions about ranking in Google search results, social media groups and advertising, using influencers, email marketing, etc. The point is that print-on-demand is a real online business, and you should treat it as such. It's an authentic and honest way to earn money online and start a free but profitable online business. The key, as with any business, is to provide value for your customers. Money is just a medium of exchange for something of value. To make money, you must provide value. The more value you provide, the more money you make. It will take time to achieve your American dreams in business, but I know you can succeed at achieving those dreams. Thank you for watching. I'm Chuck Gray, and I'm living the American dream. Next time, we'll talk about the dark side of artificial intelligence. There's a shadowy, sinister side to AI that very few people are talking about, which could severely threaten our very way of life. I hope you'll stay tuned. Thanks again for watching.